On my Airbnb tour, I had met many different people so far. Different ethnicities, mixed races, people with different agendas and stories. Romesh was the only one who met me with the time limit. My Airbnb tour is generally long, 5 hours long. My intention for this long tour is to take my guests to the best spots in Santa Monica and Venice, to practice and show off my photography skills and build friendships. When Somesh requested for my time, he was actually getting me into a challenge. My 5 hours tour was cut into half and he had an international flight to catch in 6 hours and still wanted to check off Santa Monica and Venice from his list. Romesh was on a work trip in LA from Germany. He made a good point that he might not come back to LA for a while, and this is a good opportunity for him to explore Santa Monica and Venice. In true honesty, I was sold. It made total sense to me. So, we decided not to walk but use the bird, a publicly available electronic scooter. We ran to a few spots, shared and gulped our drinks, ate in a rush, and still made it back to our starting point on time. I never heard back from Romesh again, but he taught me a lesson. If you want it real bad, you will make it happen. You might not know how, but you will.